Hello watch fans and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you a quick tutorial on how to set off the hourly beep on a Casio W86. So this is the exact model, Casio W86, and as you already know or might have other similar models, if we press the mode function, so the button on the left bottom corner, if we press it once, you will be able to go on the alarm function. Now, using the button on the right side, if we press it once, you will be able to see that a few lines appeared on the right side. Now, when those appear, it means that the alarm function is on. If we press it one more time, we see a small bell. That means that the hourly beep is on. So at this point, if you see this bell, either here on or on the main dial, that means that the hourly beep is on. Let's do that one more time. We go to the alarm mode, and using the button on the right side, we can switch between those functions. So now we can see that no function is active. Now we have the alarm function on, so the alarm will go at 9:27. Now if we press it one more time, we have the bell on, so that means that only the hourly beep is on. And if we press it for the third time, we can see that both functions are on. So that means that the alarm will go off at 9:27 and also it will beep every hour. So if you want both to be off, simply make sure that you have nothing that appears on the LCD on the left top corner. So that was the quick tutorial, guys. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you are interested in buying vintage watches, check out our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below as well, where you find thousands of vintage watches for sale. Thank you guys and see you next time.